Right. So there's a shot called Smoker's Cough. I'm a massive Jager fan, and apparently Smoker's Cough is Jager fucking mayonnaise. Being a Jager fan, gotta try it. It's a fucking Jager product. Mayo isn't. They didn't think I'd do it, I'm gonna do it. Let me say it up. Jager, just show everyone how it fucking should be. In the freezer. I'm pretty sure when they do the other ones, it's not in the freezer, so it's going to send this stuff to shit. This is an ounce. Oh, fucking mint. Mayo. Square bowl. Into the shit off here. Brand new mayo. Fuck knows what they call it, Smoker's Cough. Dollop of mayo, Jager. Go over on the fucking glass. Yeah. It's in. Jager, mayo. It's in. It's in the top. It's in. Smoker's Cough. Jager's cold. Fuck knows. I don't think it made that much difference. You just want to drink it and squirt the fucking mayo in your mouth. Thanks, come in.